Bonjour les amis, c'est moi, Madame C, avec une nouvelle leçon de français. Hello friends, it's Madame C and I'm back, and I am so excited for our next French circle time. Enjoy! And what's the best way to feel welcome? We've got to sing the welcome song. Chantez avec moi. 1, 2, 3. Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis, bonjour les amis, bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonne journée à tous et à toutes. Bienvenue tout le monde. Welcome everyone. Les amis, voici notre message du jour. We have a message. Lisez, lisez, read with me, ça dit. Bonjour les amis. Qu'est-ce que cela veut dire? Hello friends. Vous êtes spécial. Vous, that means you, all of you. Vous êtes spécial. You are special. And it also says, je t'aime. Je t'aime is how you express I love you to one person. Je t'aime. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi, le 11 janvier 2022. Les amis, c'est un nouvel an. L'année passée, last year, it was 2021. Mais cette année, it's 2022. Bonne année tout le monde. Quelle couleur est la neige? What color is the snow? Love, Madame C. Alors, les amis, quelle couleur est la neige? What color is it? Est-ce que c'est rouge? No, rouge is red. Est-ce que c'est bleu? No, pas du tout. Bleu is blue. Est-ce que c'est blanc? Ding, 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 ding. La neige est blanche. Blanche, white. La neige est blanche. Bravo, les amis. Qui a écrit ce message? Who wrote this note? Ding, 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 ding. C'est moi, Madame C. And here's how we know. Well, I think that vous êtes spécial. I really do think you're special. Je t'aime. I love you. And it also says my name. Lisez. Love, Madame C. L-O-V-E. Love, Madame C. And I gave you un petit cœur. Faites un petit cœur avec Madame. 1, 2, 3, smash it. Spy. I'm spying on you. Je vous aime. Bravo, les amis. Good reading with me. Oh, how cute! Les amis, voici notre question de maths. Ça dit, combien de lapins y a-t-il en tout? Lapin, go like this. That means rabbit. Combien de lapins y a-t-il en tout? How many rabbits are there all together? Allez, comptez les amis. Don't forget to use your good eagle eye so you can focus on the pictures. Use your pointer power to guide your counting. Use your fishy lips pour compter en français. Okay, let's check. Ta-da! Les amis, il y a, comptez avec moi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Il y a 6 lapins. Bravo, les amis. And have you noticed that they are grouped together? A group means when objects are together. They're gathered together. How do you see how the lapins are grouped? How did Madame group the lapins? À ce côté, on that side, right over there, il y a 1, 2, 3. À ce côté, on this side, we have 1, 2, 3. Bravo, les amis. Let's check. Ta-da! Montrez-moi les points. Show me your fist, les points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What happens when we smash Toi and toi together. Toi and toi. Toi et toi font un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six. Ensemble, il y a six. Bravo les amis. Les amis, il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. Did you know that? Les amis, comptez avec madame. Il y a un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Just like les sept couleurs dans l'arc-en-ciel. There's that number again, sept. Sept couleurs dans l'arc-en-ciel, 7 colors in the rainbow, et 7 jours dans une semaine. Nos jours sont lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Bravo les amis. And I told you that aujourd'hui, as of this video, aujourd'hui c'est mardi. If aujourd'hui is mardi, what was it hier? Hier means yesterday. What was it yesterday? Well, we just have to go backwards. Hier, there we go. It was lundi. And if it's aujourd'hui, it's mardi, what is it going to be? Demain. What will it be tomorrow? Demain. Mercredi. Bravo les amis. Chantez une chanson avec moi. Why don't you sing the song about les 7 jours de la semaine? Chantez avec madame. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Il y a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jours de la semaine. And can I sneak in a little bit more about colors? Connaissez-vous les couleurs? What colors do you know here? Il y a rose. Il y a bleu. Il y a jaune. Il y a vert. Il y a orange. Il y a violet. Et est-ce que vous connaissez cette couleur? Do you know this one? Gris. Gris. C'est gris, les amis. Bravo. Voici notre mot du jour. As you remember, les amis, we are working hard to be good French readers. And part of being a good French reader is knowing your mots fréquents, your sight words. Voici notre mot du jour. Voici les lettres. Let's first look at the letters that we know. Il y a la lettre D. Il y a la lettre E. Il y a la lettre U. Il y a la lettre X. D, E, U, X. X is a letter that we didn't cover yet. It's just like English. In English, it's called X, like this, X. En français, it's called X. Bravo, les amis. So when we put all these letters together, it makes der. Der, like this. Der. Can you show me der? And you can show me different ways to make der. It can go der, or you can go et font der. Smush them together. Et font der. Bravo les amis. Voici notre mot du jour. C'est de. Hier, yesterday, hier, it was un. Aujourd'hui, it's de. Bravo les amis. Les amis, I really want to tell you about something special. It's actually la saison d'avant. We are finishing up our Advent season, and it's the Epiphany. I want to tell you about Epiphany. Epiphany means God. Can you make un croix? Un, deux. We talk a lot about bébé Jésus. We've been talking about bébé Jésus during la saison d'avant, the Advent season. So Epiphany means God showing himself, revealing himself to us. He led the Magi to his son by the light of a star. The Magi, les rois, these were kings. And remember I taught you about the kings I taught you about what the kings were expecting. They heard of a new king in town, and they were so surprised and in awe of the newborn king that they saw. And he gives us light that leads us to him. We follow that light like the wise men. We follow Jésus. Remember? Bébé Jésus. Bravo, les amis. And I want to tell you about the names of the Magi. Caspar, Balthazar, and Melchior. Those are really difficult to say. But just remember la lettre C, la lettre B, et la lettre M. And of course, they are holding gifts. They brought gifts to the newborn king. It's a miracle, and I'm so excited to share that with you. Merci, les amis. Les amis, our French circle time is up, and let's review what we learned. Aujourd'hui, we talked about les couleurs, and we talked about la neige, and we said la neige, snow, la neige est blanche. Bravo, les amis. We also talked about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, les 7 jours de la semaine. We talked about the 7 days of the week. We practiced our counting and our colors. We also talked about le nombre six. We talked about the fact that this is six, cinq et un. And we talked about the fact that trois et trois together font six. We talked about groups of the lapin, the rabbits. And finally, we talked about Epiphany, and we talked about the fact that the Magi, les rois, the wise men, this is my couronne, my crown, et les cadeaux, the gifts that they brought in anticipation of the newborn king, and the light of God leads us to him. I want to thank you so much for joining me for French Circle Time, and we're going to sing the goodbye song, Au revoir. Au revoir les amis, au revoir. Au revoir les amis, au revoir. Au revoir les amis, au revoir les amis, au revoir les amis, au revoir. À demain. Merci les amis.